Bill 54 actually would require a 24-hour waiting period for a mother to be informed of all aspects of the procedure before she goes through with the abortion. Now, abortion is legal on Guam with certain conditions, and while the Catholic Church strongly opposes abortion altogether, they hope this bill will at least allow expectant mothers to weigh their options before terminating their pregnancy.
One of the important things that's in the bill is a 24-hour waiting period. And that's not unusual in other big decisions. If you buy a car, there's a 3-day period of rescission, and same with the house. We want the mother to be able to think about all that she has learned in this informed consent to decide whether or not abortion really is the solution for her. And we hope that she would decide that there are other alternatives that make more sense.
The bill went up for a public hearing yesterday, and members of the Catholic Church, schools, and religious organizations were all present to give their testimony on the measure.
Getting back to the life and health of the mother, even in the really almost impossible to imagine case of the pregnancy endangering the life of the mother, she would still need informed consent for the procedure, and she would still benefit from a period of time to make this important consideration.